But let's walk through how to generate a testimonial request template for exchange program alumni using the UNI Global AI Copilot. On the left-hand side of the screen, begin by entering the home institution. Here, it's UCLA. Next, fill in the host institution. We've written Melbourne University. And then specify the exchange country. That's Australia. You can select a preferred language, model, and word count if you'd like. Once the form is complete, click the Generate button. Now, looking over to the right, you'll find a ready-made testimonial template. It's designed to help gather student stories focused on academic impact and personal growth. The template includes thoughtful prompts about their experience at Melbourne, how it shaped their studies at UCLA, and how they've grown as individuals through cultural immersion and extracurriculars. You can now customize, export, or copy the template for outreach to alumni.